Introducing. This is what is called a metal jig. Metal jigs are a type of slim, weighted artificial bait used in the jigging technique. Metal jigs are designed to imitate the movement of small fish or prey that are swimming, thus attracting the attention of predatory fish such as tuna, grouper, and mackerel. This technique originated from Polynesia and has developed rapidly since being introduced by Yoichi Mogi in 1990. From a fish behavior perspective, metal jigs work by imitating the movement of injured or abnormally moving prey. Erratic movement. When the metal jig is pulled or dropped, it spins, vibrates, or slides in various directions, imitating a small injured or struggling fish. This movement triggers the hunting instinct of predatory fish that are attracted to weak prey. Light reflection. The metal material on the jig reflects light strongly, resembling the shine of fish scales. This helps attract fish, especially in deep or low-light waters. When released into the water, a metal jig will naturally sink with a motion that resembles a fish falling to the bottom. Many predatory fish will attack prey in this condition because it is considered an easy opportunity. When jigging, anglers can change the speed and pattern of the movement, creating a chasing or panic effect that makes the fish more tempted to attack. Some metal jigs produce subtle vibrations or sounds in the water, which can stimulate the sensory system of predatory fish and increase their attack response. So, metal jigs work by manipulating the natural behavior of predatory fish, activating their hunting instincts with movements and light reflections that mimic prey fish. The technique and pattern of using a metal jig depends largely on the type of fish being targeted and the conditions of the water where you are fishing. The basic technique of jigging involves lowering the jig to the bottom, then reeling the line back up with varying speeds and movements. Anglers often use fast jerking, slow jerking, or long fall jerking techniques to create the action that attracts fish. Fast jerking is a technique in jigging that uses fast and aggressive movements to attract predator fish. This technique is done by pulling the rod up quickly while reeling the line with an intense rhythm. This movement creates a metal jig action that resembles a small fish that is panicking or running away, thus triggering the hunting instinct of large fish such as tuna, GT, and mackerel. Slow jerking is a technique in jigging that uses slower and more controlled movements to attract the attention of less active predator fish. This technique is done by pulling the rod slowly while reeling the line with a more relaxed rhythm, so that the metal jig moves with a more natural action and resembles a wounded fish or swimming casually. Slow jerking is often used in slow pitch jigging, where anglers play the jig with a slower tempo and smoother movement variations. This technique is effective for fish that are on the seabed or that are not too aggressive in hunting prey. Long fall jerking is a technique in jigging that involves slowly lifting the rod to its maximum, then letting the metal jig fall freely to the seabed. This movement imitates a wounded or tired fish, thus attracting the attention of less active predator fish. This technique is usually used with a more flexible rod and a metal jig designed for a natural falling action. Long fall jerking is effective in calm sea conditions and when the fish are not too aggressive in hunting. So how do we reel the line when the metal jig is hit by a fish? Winding the fishing reel when there is a fish at the end of the line requires the right technique so that the fish does not escape. Here are some steps you can take. Maintain line tension. Make sure the line remains taut so that the fish cannot move freely and escape. Use the reel drag correctly. Adjust the reel drag so that it is not too tight or too loose. If it is too tight, the line can break. If it is too loose, the fish can escape. Reel with a steady rhythm. Don't reel too fast or too slow. Adjust the speed to the movement of the fish. Use the pumping technique. Lift the rod slowly, then lower it while reeling in the reel. This technique helps reduce the direct load on the line. Watch the fish's movement. If the fish moves sideways or tries to fight, adjust the rod position to maintain control. You can watch this video on how to properly reel in fishing line here. Good luck catching big fish.
Subscribe to my channel for more informative content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.